Alright, so Ben lost in Uno, and then yeah, we're gonna make him a drink.
The most
We got
tasty
orange juice.
drink in the world.
Thousand Island.
Where the fuck did the garlic go?
Chunky
Garlic.
garlic.
Where'd the milk go?
Alright, let's go. Let's make that drink.
You have to put this in first. Oh shit! Oh shit, son! Ew! Holy shit!
Hey Christian, whenever they finish making it, just say it's too severe and then keep making it.
Yeah, I think it's too severe. I don't know. Did you think it was too severe?
I haven't seen it yet.
I think it's jalapeno. I think that's.
No, I'm not eating a lot of these. Shit. Mimi shit. Nah, let's not put the garlic. That makes it kind of bad. Like, way too bad. Garlic smells hella strong.
They didn't put up. They made some of it out.
Yeah, I took some of it out because I thought it was too extreme.
No.
I didn't say nope, nope, nope.
The surprise inside.
Oh damn. Oh. Look at the one with the seeds. I think this one has seeds.
Alright, Ben.
What else to do?
Okay, so
I'm
then
not drinking it.
if you drink it,
I'm not drinking it.
you have to.
Hey Christian, do I have to drink it?
Dude, did you see Krishna's and Ivan?
Yeah, me and Christian both drank it. so you have
Christian
to
didn't drink it. He
drink-
just...
Yeah, no, he drank all of it. He drank.
No, he had like one mouthful.
Dude, no, Ivan had the most. He had a
Yeah, I know, but his is actually edible shit.
He only had to take a sip. He drank the whole thing because he wanted to.
Yeah. Yeah.
So just take a sip.
Oh no! Oh, take a sip. One
I'll
mouthful.
swish it for a minute. I'll spit it out. Okay.
Okay, 1 minute.
I don't think it would taste too bad. Like, I think it would taste like pretty bad, but not that bad.
What
Yeah.
did you put in it?
We put in milk, orange juice, some kind of like
A dip and the sauce.
yeah dip, the sauce, and grapes. You gotta eat the grapes.
You don't get to decide if I eat the grapes.
I didn't lose, so.
I know, but you don't get to pick.
So bad. Look at it again. Oh, I also put ranch sauce in it.
What's this solid shit?
Sauce? We told you sauce.
No, it's not. It's
Oh,
like egg or
that's it.
something.
That's dip. That's dip. Artichoke and jalapeno dip.
Go inside and drink it.
What do you mean? Like ring?
Yeah.
He doesn't play ring.
Nasty.
No, I'm pretty.
Just drink it.
Oh shit, son.
When you read
How do you do it?
When you read
Dude.
Subatos.
I don't. I just go to this website because it updates faster. Hurry up, then.
Ben.
10 manga?
Is it 10 manga?
What is that?
What is that?
Oh, manga here. Not
Oh, dude, I've gone there before.
Ben, hurry up.
I need to
I'm really proud of you.
go and
Dude,
So why
it's
did you
just so
tap
fucked
my
up.
nipple?
It doesn't smell fucked up, but it looks so
Wait, let
fucked
me
up.
see. Oh, what? It looks like egg yolk.
Let me
Like
see.
I know! What the fuck is that shit?
High five, Kevin.
drink that shit.
We laughed
You
so
can just
hard
take a
when we
sip.
opened the-
That's shit.
Start grabbing random shit.
Oh, you know, I don't think like
You-
the first thing you put it in, right?
That the first thing was
Ranch.
really what made it.
What
Hey,
was
you're
it?
lucky.
Gargle it
Oh,
and
what
spit
was it?
out.
What was it?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute.
How
Artichoke?
about 20
Yeah.
seconds?
15
Fine.
seconds.
Because I don't
15.
think.
You're lucky. You're lucky we didn't put
Where's
garlic
15?
inside.
It's 15.
We were about to put.
Five.
Ah, dude.
Oh, it's... Oh, why'd you have to like swish it right in front of me?
8,
Oh, gosh,
10,
gross.
11, 12,
It tastes like
14.
shit.
15. DXK, are you gonna play with us?
Ah.
Look it up.
How bad was it from the scale of 1 to 10?
It's like rotten shit or something.
Dude, when we started taking out the shit, we laughed so hard.